Hi, ma'am. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. It's your birthday daw, ma'am. It's your birthday ba? Talaga, ma'am.
Alam mo, bakit yung camera mo wala? Ha? Wala. Ang daming pansit. Wow. Wow. Inuha na babae kayo. Doon kayo. Uy. Ay, ano naman pala cake yan?
Cake!
Yan siya. Ang manager. Ay, tindihan. Alam mo, bakit yung camera mo wala?
Hindi makasama.
Ha? Bakit? Ang daming pansit. Wow! Wow! Happy birthday, Ate Elisa from Hetzo. Ha?
Ay, ano mo?
Manager ni Lisa ng Blackpink.
Dalawa pa yun.
Doon kayo. Uy.
Dalawa
Ay,
pa
mayroon
yun.
pa pala cake yan.
Ulong cake!
Yan siya, oh. Ang manager, oh. Ay, sindihan. Yan. One, to you. Day to you. Happy birthday! Hoy! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Lisa! Happy birthday! Oh, wish muna. Wish. Happy birthday! Kasi happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lisa. Of course. Hope you're gonna have a great day and good health. God bless, long life, and stay beautiful. Bye.